Unlock your website's potential, creating your AdSense account. Welcome to our step-by-step guide to setting up your Google AdSense account. Firstly, head over to the Google AdSense website. Click Sign Up Now and follow Google's simple instructions. Next, you'll need to provide information about your website. Make sure to input accurate details to avoid any issues. After sharing your website info, fill out your contact details. This includes your name, address, and phone number. Accuracy is paramount. Once you've confirmed your details, click Submit. Google will then review your application to ensure you're compliant with their policies. Congratulations! You're just steps away from unlocking your website's earning potential. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your AdSense account.